Hello, my name is Nagasaya Purvaj and my topic is the Laplace conditions on the complex function. And my roll number is 20955804009. Before going on to the complex Laplace conditions on the complex function, we have to know what are the harmonic functions. The harmonic functions are the uh, are the functions which satisfies the Laplace equations, Laplace equations in its domain. So these are the Laplace equations. The Laplace equations are from is a second order partial differential equations where uh, where it is formed by Poisson equation. So these are the Laplace equations. We have to prove this is true for the complex function, where the complex function is ux comma y plus I v x comma y. This is the complex function. Wait a minute. If the f of x is in this, we can say the u and v are the complex functions. If the f of x is a complex function if it is in the form of u of x comma y plus I v comma x, and if it is analytic, it satisfies the CR equations, where the CR equations are dou u by dou x is equal to dou v by dou y, and dou u by dou y is equal to minus dou v by dou x. So now we have to solve where we have to show any one of the variable where u or v are in the form of Laplace equations, which we have seen before. And so by this we have seen this is the Cauchy-Riemann equations, and we have to partial differentiate the equation 1 with respect to x and equation 2 with respect to y. Thus we will have the equation which is equation 1 with respect to x. We will get the dou square u by dou x square is equal to dou square v by dou x and dou x into dou y. Similarly, we will get dou square u by dou y square is equal to minus dou square v by dou x dou y, and by subtracting these equations, we will get the Laplace equations which we have satisfied. This is the Laplace equations we have satisfied, where the u variable is in the form of dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou y square is equal to 0. And in similar way we can also find for v. Where we have to partially differentiate the equation 1 with respect to y and equation 2 with respect to x. Then we will get the Laplace equations. Then we will get the Laplace equations with respect to for v random variable. And these are for now we have to know what is the harmonic functions and the conjugate harmonic functions. The conjugate harmonic functions is an f of z is analytic, and in any domain the u and v, where the u is conjugate for v and v is conjugate for u. And thus we have saying that the Laplace conditions for the complex function is in the form of d square u by dx square plus d square u by dy square is equal to 0, and similarly d square v by dx square plus d square v by dy square is equal to 0. Thus, thank you.